Hello, David here, and the project for today is shampooing the car upholstery and interior carpets with a rental rug cleaning machine. This I got from the local supermarket. It's a Rug Doctor machine. I don't have any relationship with the supermarket nor with the Rug Doctor company. It's just the most convenient tool that I have for cleaning the carpets, and I also got a bottle of cleaning solution. This stuff here, it's by Rug Doctor. It's made for cleaning upholstery, and you mix about 3 or 4 ounces with hot water in the hot water tank. It's got a set of instructions on the side over here with what to do with step 1 and step 2, but the first thing I want to do is let's make sure the dirty water tank is empty. Oh man, there's still dirty water in there. And it stinks. I'm going to dump this out. Okay, now to step 1. Remove the clean water tank. Push the tank release. Pull that out. Undo the cap. Fill the line, or fill up to the line with hot tap water. It's about 3/4 of a gallon. Then you put the cleaning solution in through here and then put the cap back on. What I'm noticing right off the bat is that suction is not all that powerful. I'll bet the shop vac to get more water out of the carpets when I'm done. With the large cleaning head, there's really not a whole lot of room to maneuver or get into tight spaces. You pretty much only get large areas. Okay, these are mats that I just cleaned. Let's take a wet rag to it and see if there's any residual soap that the extractor might not have pulled out. I'm looking for sudsing. Not getting much. I am seeing some suds fly off onto the other mat though. So I know there is still some soap in there. With the machine on, the vacuum is on and the brushes are rotating. When you pull this trigger, that forces the soap to spray out of this spray. But I notice it's shooting sideways. See this one right there? And it got on my windows. Not a very good aim, rug doctor. Okay, soap is off, but I'm just using the extractor. And you can see the water getting extracted even after doing this 3, 4, 5 times. So you have to keep up with the vacuum to get all the moisture out. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to go over these 2 mats that I just cleaned with the rug doctor with the wet dry vac. I just cleaned out the canister of the wet dry vac. See if I can extract any moisture out of there. Yeah, let's see if we have any moisture in there. None. It's perfectly dry. After doing 1 car, the seats and the carpets of the contour, the dirty water is hardly full. There's a full line down to there. See how much soap we have left. There's a fill line on the soap, and we're up to here with soap. So you can definitely do 2 cars or more with the 1 charge of soap. I'm going to move on to the Prius now. The only parts I have to do are the interior carpets. The mats were all done, and I'm going to do the interior of the luggage compartment. And I don't have to do the upholstery because that's all leather, and I already cleaned that in another video. Rug doctor's not getting these small spots. I don't know if you even see it. It's right there. I would recommend that you treat each spot beforehand with some carpet cleaner and then scrub it and then go over it with the rug doctor. Well, I finished both cars and I've done about 4 square feet inside the house next to the door because that was kind of dirty. And I still have about a half a tank of soap left. I'm going to pour that down the toilet. Maybe I'll clean up the sore lines from all that spicy food I've been eating. I know you're waiting for this. Let's take a look at the dirty water tank. Not much in there. It's only that much, but it looks kind of dirty. Let's pour it out. Yeah, look at that. Blech. Hey, let's summarize things. Scale of 1 to 10, I give the Rug Doctor Pro probably a 7. I thought it extracted the dirty soap pretty well. I didn't like the way you cannot get into tight corners. That has to be done by hand, probably with a shop vac with an attachment. And also I didn't like the way the soap sprays out of the nozzle. It's probably a maintenance thing. The nozzle for the soap dispenser probably needs cleaning or replacement, but I don't like the way that was shooting out sideways. So let me know your comments, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.